rhythm of life in the villages reflects the aspirations of the people of India's vast hinterland. However, despite their daily toil, many of them find it difficult to make both ends meet because they are mired in a vicious circle of poverty, illiteracy and ill health. Miles and miles across rural villages, basic healthcare facilities are inadequate or they simply do not exist. Once the villagers fall sick, they cannot work to earn a living and are often resigned to a fate of uncertain future.
In a country like India, the poverty is very common. So obviously, they don't have enough money to travel far distances and consult a doctor. In fact, they live with their illnesses, they die with their illnesses.
Indian Oil, India's #1 corporate that has been fueling the energy needs of Indians for over 5 decades, has now embarked on a rural healthcare mission. A mobile Medicare service offered totally free at the doorsteps of villagers called Sachal Swasthya Seva. With Sachal Swasthya Seva, Indian Oil's community initiatives take giant strides to make a positive impact on the health of a large population amongst the poorest of the poor, the old and the neglected, the unhealthy mothers and children.
The main aim of this program is to reach the door of those people who are not reaching to the door of hospitals. Mrs. Joni is 25 years female. She is since birth deaf and dumb. She cannot speak, she cannot hear. She is having 2 children and at present she is complaining of abdominal ache, vague pain in chest. Sunny, he has got complaints, muddy discharge from both eyes, and his history reveals that his family members, some children are also infected with this disease.
In January 2012, Indian Oil's Sachal Swasthya Seva was launched in nearly 700 villages across 2 major states, Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, covering a population of 10 lakh people. A large fleet of mobile medical units equipped with medicines and medical instruments are accompanied by a qualified doctor, a pharmacist, a community mobilizer and a driver. The mobile vans are stationed and maintained at the nearest Kisan Seva Kendra, the rural chain of Indian Oil's petrol pumps that serve as a one-stop shop for the multiple needs of villagers. For enhanced effectiveness, Indian Oil has also partnered with Wockhardt Foundation, who are experts in mobile healthcare delivery. Every morning, the doctor and his team begin their journey to the designated villages. They cover up to 3 villages each day, thus reaching out to about 15 villages in a week, ensuring that each village is visited at least once a week.
బాగుంది సార్, మాకు మంచిగా మందులు ఇస్తారు, మంచిగా ఉంది. వారం వస్తారు, పాపలకు మంచిగా చూస్తారు.
రావాలి వస్తుంటే మంచిగా ఉంటుంది, చూస్తుంటేనే మంచిగా ఉంటుంది. మరి
మేము హాస్పిటల్కి పోవాలంటే కొంచెం దూరం పోవాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ప్రతి వారం ఇక్కడ వస్తుంటారు కనుక చూపిస్తే ఈ మందులు వేసుకుంటే కొంచెం నయం ఉంటుంది. మాకు అయినా ఎంబీబీఎస్ డాక్టర్లు ఇక్కడ లేరు కూడా, మేము చిన్న గ్రామంలో ఉంటాం.
Most of the cases are arthritis, osteoporosis, hypertension and fevers, typhoid and diarrhea cases.
हमारे जो पीएचसी सेंटर्स हैं वो कई बार हैं जो कि किसी कारणवश नहीं फंक्शनल हैं, तो हम लोगों का जो प्रयास से अब हम लोग ऐसी जगहों पर गए हैं जहां पर कि कोई भी एक मामूली डॉक्टर जाना मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ही मुश्किल होगा, जाना पसंद भी नहीं करेगा। लेकिन हम लोग उस इंटीरियर जहां पर मडी कंडीशन है, विदाउट एनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, विदाउट एनी रोड, हम लोग उस कंडीशन में जा कर के पेशेंट्स को डील किए हैं। और इससे गरीब लोगों को, जो भी असहाय लोग हैं, जो कि हॉस्पिटल के 1 रुपए की फ़ीस देने के लिए भी क्षमता नहीं है उनमें, लेकिन उन्होंने खुशी से आगे निकल करके इसका बहुत सराहा है और लोगों को बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ है।
3 टाइम
बीमारी ठीक बा, गाड़ी अइला से फायदा ये बा, ये लामे नहीं जाए के पड़त।
पहले से बहुत अच्छा है। पहले 4 ना था, अब इतनी सी 12 ना हो गया है। 4 ही है ना कमी है, फिर दूसरे बार आएंगे पूरा हो जाएगा।
अच्छे डॉक्टर मिल गए और वैन आने के बाद जो बुजुर्ग लोग हैं जो जा नहीं पा रहे हैं PSC या CSC पे, तो उन लोगों का इलाज वैन के द्वारा हो जा रहा है। वैन से जो दवा मिल रहा है काफ़ी रिस्पांस मिल रहा है, काफ़ी फायदा हो रहा है।
इसमें जो लोग बहुत खुश हैं और हम भी खुश हैं। जब जरूरत पड़ता है तैयार रहते हैं हमारे लिए।
असाधारण रूप से लाभ लोगों को होता है, खास तौर से जो हमारी माताएं बहनें हैं, जो घर से किसी वजह से नहीं निकल पाती हैं, हॉस्पिटल तक नहीं जा पाती, डॉक्टर से नहीं कंसल्ट कर पाती हैं, या हमारे बहुत बुजुर्ग लोग हैं जो चल ही नहीं सकते।
In addition to providing free health checkup and free medicines, the medical team conducts a monthly health awareness program on healthcare, hygiene, and the dangers of communicable diseases, amongst others. In Andhra Pradesh, Indian Oil Sachal Swasthya Seva has penetrated more than 550 villages across 10 districts with a fleet of 40 mobile medical units. In Uttar Pradesh, the service began in 3 districts, targeting 131 villages by deploying a dozen mobile medical units. With 52 mobile medical units at its command currently, Indian Oil Sachal Swasthya Seva has a potential to reach more than 15 lakh patients annually. Indian Oil also regularly monitors the quality of service to ensure its effectiveness and reach to the targeted beneficiaries. For Indian Oil, it's more than a journey of 1,000 miles. It's a new chapter in its community service initiatives that includes providing clean drinking water, support to education, preservation of national heritage, and protection of the environment. Indian Oil Sachal Swasthya Seva is a mission to improve the quality of lives of villagers, to help them realize their dreams, to empower them, to bring smiles on the face of the budding generation, and in the process, help build a nation of healthy people. Indian Oil, Sachal Swasthya Seva, spreading miles of smiles.